Hello?
The thing ticking. Yeah. Okay.
Hello, hello? Okay. Welcome everybody to this episode of VC Street. I heard that you guys prefer me over Matt, so that's why I'm back on today. Oh no, I think I'm gonna fart. No, it went away. Okay, so Gate 2 Street is what we did last time. And I might be a little gassy right now because we just had Charlie's Tacos. If you spin around, you might recognize something, which actually this might be about the only thing you recognize on this street because so much has changed. But we're gonna walk down Park Avenue and just kind of talk about it. So first we'll talk about Charlie's Tacos. Well, I'll have a video on Charlie's if you guys want to see. But this is Park Avenue. So this, like Gate 2 Street, because it's right behind Gate 2 Street, this was also a big club scene back in the day. But like I also said back in the Gate 2 Street video, it was more prominent for music, I think. You know, like music bars and stuff like that. A lot of old American classic rock and roll influenced this scene heavily back in like the 70s, 80s, 90s. But as you can see, a lot of this is pretty run down. We're here today at, what is today, Wednesday? It's about 3 p.m. But honestly, this is pretty much about how busy it gets. In fact, we were here, yeah, I mean, I haven't been here at night in a while, but we were here last Saturday night and it wasn't even that busy. But a lot of these places, like, I can't really see it, but, oh, we'll pass by it, but there's Ammo Box, which I think a lot of people remember Ammo Box. This patch shop has been here a long time. In fact, a lot of people used to probably get their, those bomber jackets with the Okinawa, like the... Yeah, they used to get those bomber jackets and stuff from Patchwork Shop, or whatever it's called. I think I've noticed some restaurants and stuff popping up. I think a lot of what Park Avenue has become is like more like people trying to keep it alive, but it's not the same as it used to be. There's the old sign for Ammo Box, but Ammo Box isn't even there anymore. The sign's still there. The Ammo Box sign is still here, but Ammo Box is gone. Really? Yeah. I used to really like, holy shit, that one is big. That's huge. I almost ran into its web. Ugh. People wonder why I'm arachnophobic. If you saw the size of the spiders here in Okinawa, you'd be arachnophobic too. This is kind of cool. This is like a little library. Like you could take books and stuff. They have Harry Potter.
You take one and then
you could just like sit here and read. So the reason I spent a lot of time at Park Avenue when I was a teenager was because I took guitar lessons on the street, guitar and drum lessons. I used to take guitar lessons from a guy who used to have a class store like right across the street from Teruya Music, which we'll pass by. I think a lot of you guys are going to be pretty happy to see that Teruya Music is still around, because I know there's a lot of people who probably spent a lot of time at, oh, this is another one where they used to sell the bomber jackets, the embroidery shop. Yeah. See, like you could see them on the walls there. But like I said, I think a lot of what Park Avenue has become is just kind of like little tiny restaurants and bars like this. Like that as well. I've noticed there's still a music scene here. Like a lot of these, yeah. See, that's the thing is like a lot of the stores that I grew up going to or passing by when I was a kid, when about like 15 years ago now, is no longer here. So it's kind of hard for me to be like, oh yeah, this, and this, because a lot of it's gone. Yeah, it looks like it hasn't been, people haven't gone there in a while. So this hasn't been here a long time. This is now a Koza skate ramp. Roller girls.
Oh, this is the skating.
Yeah. So it's closed, but it's cool. It's like a skate park for kids. It's really funny. A lot of people are gonna know if I mention it, the Banana Lady, because she was a popular sight to see in this area. And I remember one time, because there used to be a fruit stall around here. I can't remember which one, but there used to be fruit and vegetable stalls on this road. And one time I remember seeing her buy cucumbers, and you just can't help wonder, like, are you going to be using that for a salad, or are you going to be using that for practice? That Indian fashion place has been there a long time. I never went in it, but I remember seeing it. Like, there's a few stuff that I still recognize, but most of them, like that Booze Cafe, or Bamboo Cafe, I don't remember if it has been bamboo since I was a teenager, but it has been a restaurant for a while.
All right.
And if you look right there, there's Hotomoto.
Oh, that's the one that it was.
No, Mojo Jojo.
Mojo Hojo?
No, it was Hoka Hoka Te. But now it's called Hotomoto.
There's another little spider.
Man, they're everywhere. This one isn't as big though.
That one's so tiny.
Like, this has been here since I was a kid.
Oh, really?
This has been here since I was a kid. Yeah, I remember always passing this by and thinking it's so crazy because they're like a letter away from it being Zakimi, which would have been my name. This car has been jutting out since I was a teenager. But
Yeah, that car looks like it's been there a while.
yeah.
Damn.
My guitar class was one of these. I don't remember which one, but it was one of these ones.
This little car been here a long time?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, you remember how people used to talk about Mickeys?
Yeah.
There's Mickey's right there.
That's Mickey's?
I don't know if that's the Mickey's, but there's also Teruya right there. That's the music place.
The music store you went
Yeah, most people know Teruya. And that's been there since I was a kid.
to? And there's Hideaway.
Yeah. Hideaway used to be on Gate 2 Street, but they moved it over here. Turned into like I remember the last time I went there, we went to go see some local bands play concert with my friend's dad.
Do you want to go this way?
Sorry, we had to make an emergency stop to the 7-Eleven bathroom because that Charlie's Tacos came right out.
Yeah. So Charlie's Tacos was very good, but there's some side effects.
Gordy's did the same thing though.
Yeah, Gordy's was worse for me.
Was it? Yeah,
I
I mean,
feel
it's
okay
heavy
right
food.
now.
Because I don't normally eat food like this, you know what I mean? Like, I eat regular Japanese food, so when I start eating greasy food, it's intense. But anyways, we are on 330. This is the 330 route. If you go that way, that road right there is going to be Gate 2 Street. And then right over there is Hideaway. So we're going to go in here, which is the Ichibangai, the old, like, underground shopping centers. That kind of links both Gate 2 and the Park Avenue together.
So we're just waiting for the light to change.
Yep, just waiting for the light to change.
Gate 2 here. Anyway, here we are. Oh, actually, no one can hear me. Really. So it's all you talking.
Okay. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, it's working.
Okay. So, I mean, I don't know what else there is to say about it here. Okay. So here's like an old China shop. I don't know. They sell plates. That's a really big store for plates. This is kind of similar to Kokusai Street in Naha. You know, like I think almost every major town has a version of like an underground shopping center. I call it underground. It's not even underground. It's like covered shopping area. But this is like, you know, if we were to talk about what malls kind of look like back in the day. That's really cute. There's the lady aggressively petting her cat. Aww. That's so sweet. But I think a lot of like what this area is now is, like I said, just like a mixture of old, and then there's like younger crowds that are trying to come in, make it something. This place really took a dive back when they stopped allowing the military to go out of the base after a certain time, like because they have I think they have like a curfew of 10 p.m. So when they started putting that curfew into place, this place really took a dive. Because a lot of this area catered to those people. It's like Camp Hansen's Kin Town, you know. I think the reason Naha's Kokusai Street is still bustling and busy as it is because the epicenter of the island, and there's a lot of tourists, but nobody comes, like tourism isn't a thing in this area, you know what I mean? It's a bunch of older people. Yeah, so we're like right smack dab in between Park Avenue and then Gate 2 Street. If we go straight that way, it takes us to Gate 2 Street, which Matt already did a video of last time. Yeah, little restaurants here and there. Like I said, there's actually a lot of good places to eat in Gate 2 Street. They do have a lot of good food. A lot of it's closed during the day because I think they mostly cater to, this one's like curry chai vegan. That's interesting. This camera guy's been here forever. Nakabu Jubu. So here's the...
Oh, that's a cool mural.
I don't know if it's cool, but it is a mural.
There's the Koza gang.
The Koza gang. Whew, it is hot today. I like this one. This is like a Koza International Plaza. So I'm assuming it's like it's a multilingual consultation, but the picture is of a lady eating a hot dog. See, I think it's kind of cool walking down these streets because, like, if I was in the States, I probably wouldn't walk down streets like this.
Yeah.
There's a Koza radio station right there. They're the FM Koza radio. Kind of curious. I want to see this Mickey. Because this place has been here for a long time. It doesn't look like... Yeah, it doesn't look like...
It's not open anymore, it looks like.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it is.
Yeah, can you guys see?
Yeah, and this is Teruyas, which I think a lot of people have... I think a lot of memories. I spent a lot of time in Teruyas. I'd get my guitar stuff from there. It was so much fun. Like I had a really good teenage years, just like hanging out at Gate 2 Street and Park Avenue. I spent more time in Park Avenue than I did in Gate 2 Street, but I actually kind of want to drink. I already had a Charlie's Tacos. I probably shouldn't be getting anything else unhealthy. I heard this place, I've never had it. It's been here a while, but their jerk chicken bowl is supposed to be really good. I've never tried it. If anyone's ever tried Bamboo Cafe, let me know what you think. I think that's just pretty much it. It kind of speaks for itself because I think, like I said, everybody has so many, I said this on Gate 2 Street too, but I feel like everybody has different memories and different, like, you know, what stores they remember, what bars they remember, because everybody came here for different purposes. I came here because I was taking guitar lessons. You know, when Matt asked me to do these like narrations and stuff, I actually really like, because I grew up here and I spent a lot of time here, but I was kind of nervous because I don't really know what to talk about because so many things have changed. Like everything aesthetically looks similar, but the stores and everything have changed, right? And like, I think everybody had different reasons for coming to Koza. For me, it was music. I came here for guitar lessons, drum lessons, so my memories are all that. I didn't know too much of the bar scene. I knew there was one, but I didn't really partake in the bar scenes, so I can't really comment on any of that. I think it's an awesome place, especially just to walk down and kind of like live that nostalgia. So hopefully you guys
Well,
enjoyed it.
I appreciate you giving the tour.
Sorry it's not that good.
No, it's great. People will like it. Leave a like if you like it. Oh, anyway. All right, guys. Well, that's it for BC Street, right?
Park Avenue, yeah.
Park Avenue. What is BC? That's just what it used to be called?
I think it's the same as, I think this road is called BC/Park Avenue. Like, I remember it being called Park Avenue, but people also call it BC Street.
Isn't BC Street have something to do with, like, I forgot. It's like dirty, though, isn't it?
I don't know.
Anyway, I don't know. I don't know what BC Street stands for, but if you know, leave it down below. I think it is something dirty.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching his video.
All right. So thanks so much for watching. If you like Okinawa, Japan, anything like that, want to see more of it, I film anything that I find interesting here in Okinawa. Maybe it's Okinawan, maybe it's Japanese, whatever. But thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And thank you, Kit. Go subscribe to her channel, too. It's in the link in the description below. Daily vlog. So, all right.
Bye.
See you guys later.